Move base in Dune Awakening. In today's video, you are going to learn how to move base in Dune Awakening. So let's get started. First, unlock the Celita Replicator by crafting a journal replicator and gathering 20 salvage metal to unlock the Celita Replicator. Then use the Celita Replicator to scan your current base. Note it does not copy items like refineries or storage units, so you will need to rebuild those later. Now, find a strategic area with better resources or safer terrain, then set up a sub base at the new spot to begin replicating your base. Then gather the required materials again, reconstruct essential structures and storage in your new location. Now move your supply, transport important items first using storage units or vehicles and keep travel distance short to avoid danger. Then once fully relocated, open the map and remove your old sub-base console. This frees up your previous base spot for others. And that's all. That's how you will be able to move base in Dune Awakening.